Hello and welcome back to the Blair Watch Project. Thank you for clicking and stopping by. My name's Dan, and I occasionally make videos to feature a restoration of a watch that I have available for sale. It's really my opportunity to bring you something a little bit more in depth and a little bit better photographed than what I offer on my website. I'm not much of a photographer of watches, so this is really the chance for me to give you sort of all the features and all the things that you may want to know a little bit more about a watch I have offered on my site. So this watch in particular is a really clean example. It's one that's been in my collection for a long time. Sorry about that. And it's received, again, a full mechanical restoration. Nothing really cosmetic, but the mechanics of this watch have been completely rebuilt and redone. And for me, that means full service of the movement, just a general cleaning of the components, that is the case and the case back. I don't polish watches. It's just not something that I do. Mostly because I believe in the honesty of the as seen state. What also is really important as part of my servicing is a rebuild of the crown on these watches. These watches have a internal gasket that's held behind a fixed, essentially a washer that's been mechanically staked inside of this crown, and I pull those apart and put a new seal in, and then mechanically re-stake the washer inside. And so that part has been done, which is essential to keeping these watertight. It's also received two brand new Blair Watch Project jewels, and so those are in the upper and lower mainspring arbor ports. I've had those manufactured here in the US. They are the same ones you would get, for example, in a service by me, but also by Spencer Klein. We went in together and got those after I sourced them. Again, this watch, belonged to me for a long time. I have been collecting these. They are just really fine examples of, middle end of the 20th century dive watches. They are really great, and I wear one almost every day. They are fantastic. So if you're looking for one with basically perfect lume, really stunning dial, just in great shape overall, and it's fully mechanically rebuilt, this is the one. It's going to come on a Uncle Strap's waffle. I think this is a really good reproduction of the original. I'm also going to send along all the pieces that were restored and replaced. So this is the original crystal for this watch. It has its patina, but it's nice to get a good original one. The one that's in it is a Klein Hardlex, so that's the original style. It's a Type 3, which is a little bit lower profile, appropriate for this watch. Here's the crown seal and the other case seals, and there's the bushing that's now been replaced by a jewel. So all of those will come to you, including this watch, which I think is just stunning. It is so nice. Everything functions exactly as you would expect. We can just go through here, get the date to change over, and there that is. Perfect. And now that we're a little bit further away from midnight, let's go ahead and do the quick date change, which is functioning exactly as it should as well. All right. Crown lock holds the crown from turning. It's not a screw down or anything like that, but it just holds it in place. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for coming by, and I look forward to passing this on to the next owner, whoever decides that they need a Willard in their life. Click on the link in the description below and you can own this watch. All right, thanks for watching.